I'd like to thank Tondiamo for going through and sending me this brush kit. This is going to be a repair pen brush, and it's 0.5 millimeters. You can see here, it also comes with another handle that opens up and you can use it to clean inside. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that area and fill it with paint. It's going to drip through the bristles so you can go through and paint that way. So we're going to go through and fill that up with paint, and it'll come through there and you'll be able to touch it up. This works really good with cars. There's also a 100-pack of plastic paintbrushes that are really good quality with cotton on the end. The micro paint applicator is made of brass. It's really reliable, sturdy, and it doesn't break easy. It's nice and solid. The surface of the pens are also very comfortable to hold, and as well as the micro paint applicator as well. Once you fill it with paint, then you'll just go ahead and dab on wherever you're going to paint, and the paint's going to go through and drip through into the 0.5 area, and you'll get the color. It's very thin area, so it may take a moment for it to start coming through. If you have any problems, try running hot water through it first, especially if you've used paint before, and you just keep going and you'll be able to continue to fill in areas like this by going through and just dabbing. Not to mention, the plastic brushes are really great for touch-up as well. They have a little piece of cotton and they work very smoothly. They're going to be a little bigger than a 0.5, so if you need to kind of move it or that paint around or add more paint, that'll work very well.